Okay. Tagaan ako og ballpen, isa ka ballpen, kumuhatag og Bible verse. Okay, kasi una. Okay, Gio, aliwe. Okay, Gio, give me Bible verse.
John 3:16, for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him should not perish but have everlasting life. John 1:1, at the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. 1. Psalms 23:1, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Og Psalms 53:6, when I am afraid, I put my trust in you. Og Isaiah 41:10, do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Og Genesis 1:1, in the beginning God created heaven and earth.
Okay, thank you, Morto. Sige. Isa ka ballpen. Sabi. Kung na pa yung sobra. Ano na? Okay. Ina, sunod si pangalan mo? Kurt. Okay, Kurt. Give me Bible verse.
Revelation 22:13. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, the first and the last. Ephesians 6:1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Psalms 23:1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Bora.
Ora. Sige. Isa ka ballpen. Isa.
Wow.
Wala ka na. Okay, Sean, give me Bible verse.
Mateo 2:20. Remember that I am always with you until the end of the time.
Sige. So, nakay ballpen. Ballpen. Ano ito? Napabay sobra. Isa. Okay, RJ, give me Bible verse.
Roman 5:3-5. Yes, life hard about God. God has planned to make you stronger through and all.
Okay. Okay. Ethan, give me Bible verse.
Matthew 2:18. Remember that I'm always with you until the end of the time.
Sa ito nga verse?
2:18.
2:8:20. Sa ito mo siya? Mateo? Sige. Alis na. Chocolate. Wala na yung frutos. Awe? Na yung frutos na. Okay.